What's up guys, happy Thursday and welcome back to another truck of the week. This truck this week, you guys have seen pretty much the whole build on the channel. You've been wanting more details, you've been wanting more footage, so we're here to give it to you today. And there's a train going by. So like I was saying, you guys have been wanting more details on this, wanting more footage, so we're gonna give it to you today. And it is the 12 valve swapped Suburban. So like I said, you've seen it on the channel, but unless you follow along on Instagram, you haven't seen the new wheel and tire setup. So I think you're gonna like it. Let's go check it out. So the last time y'all seen the Suburban, it was on 26x16s on 44-inch boggers. And I know a lot of people like to keep these older trucks more old school. So I think you guys are gonna be pretty happy that now it is on Welds. We've still got 44-inch Interco boggers, but these are 16.5 by 18 inches wide Weld road hawks. So personally, you guys know I kind of like a little bit of everything. So I honestly can't decide which one I like better. I thought the 26s looked super clean, but I love this old school look too. So these Welds started out as 12 inches wide, and like I said, now they're 18 inches wide. So they were custom stretched by Weld Craft and polished by Parker Van Bellen out of Michigan. So they have a lot of hours in these things. So they were custom cut, welded, and completely repolished to make these 18 wides. So no matter what wheels the Suburban has on it, I feel like it's never gonna be complete without Interco boggers. So still have 44s, still 19.5 inches wide, but with an 18-inch wide wheel. So they have a little bit more of a stretched look than they did on the 16 wides. And they were kind of a bead amount, but they look really cool. So the Suburban, we kept it old school. We've got 16 inches of leaf springs with a 4.5-inch shackle drop for an overall total of 20 inches of lift. This thing is massive. So of course, to push these huge tires, we needed to re-gear this thing. So we've got Yukon Gears 518s with Grizzly lockers. So if you guys have been keeping up with the build on the channel, you know it has a 12 valve in it and a brand new transmission from Randy's Transmission. In my opinion, everything with a 12 valve needs a hood stack. So it's pretty far up there, but we've got a carbon fiber hood stack by Old School Fab. So to keep the 12 valve running A-OK, we've got a titanium series fast fuel system. So for the last couple details, we have clear manufacturing marker lights and 20 BAMF LED rock lights.
lights are on. Yep.
The lights are on, but nobody's home.
Oh my God.
Teens and 44-inch boggers. So still got 44-inch boggers, but I know a lot of you are going to be pretty happy because, hang on.
Okay, how do I word this? The look is more old school.
So we have Welds. Oh, hang on. I feel like the Suburban's never gonna be the. Okay, start that over. Yeah. 16-inch leaf springs with a 4.5-inch shackle drop. Okay.
I'm gonna be better. Okay, let's see.
Freaking Suburban.
Okay, remember the mother freaking Suburban. Okay, I gotta sneeze real quick. I think. Fast fuel system. My eyelashes stuck together real quick. Okay, I'll start over. Rocker lights and Banff LED rock lights, 20 of them, to make it glow like a spaceship at night. That was real dumb. I just need to say we've got 20 to make it glow like a spaceship. Like what? Let me try this something. Hang on. I don't know if these shorts are the best idea for this. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, I seen Zach do this, but his legs are a lot longer. Okay. I changed my mind.
We just opened the back door to come in the front.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, ready?